In this video, I'm going to explain whether a student should attend both the option in a question or not. Before I come to any conclusion, we need to understand the process of manual evaluation and the process of digital evaluation. Under manual evaluation, when a teacher finds that a student has attempted both the parts in a question, now the teacher has two options. First, he can simply put a cross on the optional part and write extra attempt and go ahead for the remaining question to evaluate. Another option is which is totally discretionary on the part of the teacher. There is no compulsion by the CBSE, but it's just suggested that a teacher may evaluate the other optional part as well, give the marks, and then compare the marks in both the options. And the option which is having the highest marks will be written on the main page. But in order to write the highest marks on the main page, the paper evaluator will have to cut the old marks and write the new marks. So it's a time consuming job, no doubt. So whether the optional part will be evaluated, high marks will be given or not, it is purely discretionary on the part of the paper checker. Now let's understand how much it is easy and it is convenient and feasible to check both the option and give the mark for the highest option, the option which is having the highest marks. So for this purpose, we need to understand the process of digital checking. Like here, I have taken question 26. In question 26, which is of 6 marks, this is accountancy paper, and this question carries 6 steps. So we need to see by clicking right with the right with the right click that how the marks will be awarded for these 6 different steps. So you can see that these 6 steps carry 1 mark each. It means there would be 6 right entries and accordingly I have to give the marks. So I have to put the marks or no marks at 6 different places. Like here, this is the correct entry. I can simply give 1 mark. Second, here I can give 1 mark. This correct entry. Here I can give 1 mark. Here I can put 0. Here I can put 0. Here I can give 1. Now we need to see that 6 steps have already been covered. So here, after giving the marks for different entries, the student has got 4 marks and I can simply put left click and the marks will appear with the bar. So this way I had checked this answer and the marks are already being awarded automatically on the software with the help of software. Now if I find here it's a rough work, I can simply put the annotation of rough work here, and suppose this is the optional part of the same question like 25 and I had checked it. Now I see here the student has got 4.5 marks and in the first option the student got 4 marks. Now in order to give 4.5 mark or the option which is having the highest mark, first I will have to delete all these annotations. So deleting annotations and giving deleting annotations and deleting annotation and giving the marks for the second option, it's a time consuming job. Here you might be finding that it's not time consuming job, but this have already made practice and made the process simple to make the video, so it's not a easy job. So I will have to delete all the annotations of the previous option. Then in that option I will have to put NA. NA mean that is not attempted. And then the system will work. So I believe that a teacher is not going to take so much amount of pain that when a teacher finds first option and give the marks. For the second option, he immediately will put not attempted, whether you attempted the second part or later stage or not. So when a teacher finds that you have attempted the optional part on a subsequent page, the teacher is not going back and compare the marks, change the marks, and put not attempted in other option. So it's a time consuming job. So it's my suggestion that attempting both the parts will be of no use for you. Teacher will simply put not attempt annotation in the optional part. Later on, the teacher finds the optional part you have done, then that is the teacher will put simply write this option, that is repeated answer. So this way you will be wasting your time, and I believe that a student should not waste his time by attempting both the options. So I hope you must have understood that both the options should not be attempted. The option for which you are quite confident, that should be opted and that should be attempted. I hope this video must have made the doubt clear. Thank you so much for watching it.